Hi beautiful people, welcome to Ofieli family. If today is your first time of visiting this channel, thank you for coming. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I preserve my tomatoes and bell pepper for the winter season. As you can see, I have about 5 boxes of tomatoes and these Roma tomatoes, and I have like 2 boxes of bell pepper. We usually have these tomatoes at the store for lower prices. It was about $7.99 Canadian dollars a box. I like Roma tomatoes because it's good for making tomato paste. You can use other types of tomatoes, but I like Roma tomatoes better. As you all know, tomatoes are cheaper during the summertime, but during the winter time, it's a lot more expensive. So the best way I do it is to prepare it and store it for the winter season. In each box I have 11.4 kg, which is 25 pounds. Before we get into this video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified anytime we upload a new video. So first, I wash the tomatoes, but because I have a heavy duty blender, I don't have to cut it into little chunks before blending it, but you can do that if you think your blender is not a heavy duty one. Okay, you have to cut it into pieces before you add it to your blender so it won't be too hard on the blender. So I blend it and add it to the pot. I already have some in here. I'm going to add more and more until I can't add any more. So I blend my bell pepper because I like to boil some of the tomatoes with the bell pepper. Although I boil some without the bell pepper in it because there are some certain food I might want to cook and then I don't need bell pepper. It might just be the tomatoes. So keep watching. I'm also using a smaller pot just to make it easier for me and faster. As you can see, it's coming to a boil. Yeah, my tomatoes. I'm just doing this so that the tomatoes doesn't get burnt on the sides, although it's gonna mess up a lot, but just to prevent it from burning on the sides. And please make sure you cook on medium heat. This will prevent it from getting burnt. As you can see, it's almost ready. Although it's kind of messed up on the sides, but it's okay. As long as it's not burnt, it's fine. The smaller pot is ready as well. So I'm going to let it cool for a couple of hours before putting it in the Ziploc and then in the freezer. You can use any kind of container of your choice, but I prefer to use Ziploc bags so I can save space in my freezer. I'm just letting the air out of the bag so it won't be too puffy. And I'm gonna add as much as I need to cook each time I want to cook in the Ziploc bags. Now I'm going to go ahead and write the date I made this paste. And like I said earlier, I didn't add bell pepper in some of the tomatoes. I'm going to write bell pepper to the ones that I added bell pepper and write tomatoes to the ones that don't have bell pepper in it, so I can be able to differentiate between the two when I want to use them. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the freezer. It can be stored in the freezer for months and months without getting spoiled. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can save some tomatoes and save some money. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. To our returning subscribers, you guys rock. Please don't forget to like, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in our next video with another good one. Bye bye.